Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Greymo TV, I'll be making these simple apple pancakes. To prepare the pancakes, I used the following ingredients. I used 2.5 apples. These were quite big, so I ended up using 2.5 apples, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, and a quarter cup of cooking oil. I also used 1 cup of lukewarm water. The first thing is just to chop your apples into quite rough or medium size shapes. I'll be blending this in the blender, so the size really doesn't matter as much, but for easy blending it's good for you to just make them smaller in size so that they can blend easily. So guys, if this is your first time watching my videos, kindly consider subscribing. Please press that notification bell also to be notified on my future videos, and even for those that watch and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing as well. Now once you're done chopping your apples, throw them into the blender. I also added the eggs and the cooking oil and the half a cup of water that I was supposed to use. I will use the other half later on. And guys, this is the final mixture. I used the other half cup of water to just clean out the blender, and now I'm going to just proceed into mixing the rest of the ingredients to this mixture. So after that, I just went ahead to add my dry ingredients, beginning with the cinnamon, then the sugar, and then I gradually added my all-purpose flour as I mixed, just to avoid it forming any lumps at the end. I also have other pancake recipes on my channel, guys, so if you're interested in that area, you can also check them out. So at this point, I just went in with the spatula just to make sure I get rid of all the flour that was left on the bottom and on the sides, so that everything is just well mixed together. So the next step, guys, is to just cook our pancakes, and for this I just heated my pan and then allowed my oil to spread nicely on the pan. Then I went ahead to add the pancake batter on the pan, and I cooked this on low to medium heat until both sides were browned nicely and they were ready. Guys, if you notice, I'm using my measuring cups to scoop. I find it very easy to use my measuring cup, especially when I'm making pancakes. The reason being, I use them to just determine the size of my pancakes. If I want bigger size, I use a larger measuring cup, maybe half a cup or maybe a quarter cup if I want smaller size pancake. And this really helps a lot to make them even and to maintain the consistency in the size of pancakes you prefer. So guys, just keep repeating the process until your pancake batter is finally finished. And for me, I just continued off camera, but this is the final results of the pancakes that I made. They were really lovely. Everybody loves the apple pancakes. I hope you guys will be trying this out too. I also made a smaller size batch of pancakes for the kids' sake, because normally when I give them the big ones, it's very hard for them to finish, but the small ones, I find it's very easy for them to enjoy, because they can just grab one and finish it very easily. And so yeah, the small size is for the kids mainly, and the bigger size is for me and my husband. So yeah, these are the smaller sizes that I was topping up, and these are the finished products. I'm also sorry guys, I thought my camera was recording while I was doing the decoration, but I noticed once I had finished, and so I had to do a small demo again just to show what I did. I used powdered sugar to just top it up, poured it on a sieve and just tapped, and this was the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Kindly don't forget to give it a like, also share with your friends and family. And until next time, God bless you, and remember to stay safe. Bye.